Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Porsche vehicle. And I'm talking about any Porsche guys, a car, SUV, whatever it is guys. It doesn't matter if you have a Boxster, 911, Cayenne, if you guys have engine light and code P0335 and you may be even not able to start your Porsche guys vehicle, we'll explain what causes that and how to fix it. There are guys top 3 reasons we'll be sharing, what causes that code and how to fix it. Now, before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. If you guys need to buy any parts or tools for your Porsche, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all our parts and tools from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. Number 2, every single car we get at the shop, we try to make guys at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep providing this free information to you. With all that being said, let me tell you guys what can set that code P0335. Now that's very frustrating code. Why? Due to the fact guys that this code indicates that you have bad crankshaft position sensor or something related to that. Now when you get that code, you may have a hard time starting your Porsche, you may not be able to start it at all. It may start and die on you while you're driving, and we'll explain what can cause that guys. Now, one simple sensor that can completely disable your engine. You have a sensor guys that's called crankshaft position sensor that detects the position of your crankshaft of the engine. That way the engine computer knows when to ignite the spark plug, the fuel, when to spray, the fuel injectors to spray and all that stuff. Because otherwise guys, practically, the engine computer will not know what to do, and if that sensor is not working correctly, it will not, work at all. Your engine will crank, but will not start. So, usually guys, on your engine, Porsche engine, there are, again, different designs, but what you need to do guys, let me position the camera here so you can see a little bit better. That's the oil pan right here that we have. That's the transmission side. On the bell housing towards the transmission side and the engine, between the engine and the transmission right here, often you'll find a sensor. That sensor is known as crankshaft position sensor. This is the sensor that detects the position of the crankshaft guys. Very important sensor for the normal operation of the engine. When that sensor fails, your car may not even start at all. So, top 3 reasons, for that code P0335, bad sensor, which is common on higher mileage vehicles, guys. Bad sensor, or a broken wire, guys, or melted wire. Often they're close to the exhaust somewhere and they can melt or break. So, that's one thing to look for as well. Always check it out. And number 3, you need to find the connector for your wire. Ours is all the way on the back. And make sure that it's plugged all the way in. Also that you don't have any corrosion in the connector, because if it's loose, you hit a bump or something, it may come loose, and as a result guys, it will disconnect and the computer will detect it like it's missing, and as a result it will not work and throw that code as well. So you get the idea guys, those are the most common ones that we see here at the shop, top 3 reasons for a Porsche and having a code P0335. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.